Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Surdana and we are discussing CAT 2020 slot 1 paper with 1 minute 1 question approach. I'm a plus educator on Unacademy. You can attend all of my classes for CAT exam preparation on Unacademy Plus, and you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using the referral code LRDI. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription purchase. So starting with the CAT 2020 slot 1 quant questions, let's discuss the questions which were asked from the number theory. Let's have a look at it. Okay, Unacademy Championship League is again one of a type of test series which started on January 3rd. On every alternate Sunday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. you can join the Unacademy Champions League. You can win exciting prizes and scholarship by participating in these championship leagues. Also, immediately after the test, you will get in-depth insights with the same day analysis. A same day analysis with in-depth insights will be given to you. It's completely free of cost. All the students can join it. And to subscribe to this championship league, you can use my referral code LRDI. Now, let's have a look at CAT 2020 slot 1 number theory question. Question number 7. How many 3-digit numbers are there for which the product of their 3-digit is more than 2 but less than 7? That means I'm looking for a 3-digit number A, B and C, where A, B, C can be same also. But the condition that I need to take care is that the product of A into B into C should be greater than 2 and it should be less than 7. Now the product should be greater than 2 and less than 7. Immediately it should come to your mind. The possibility for the product of A, B and C can be 3, can be 4, can be 5 and can be 6. That's it. These are the only 3 possibilities. Because A, B, C are the integers, so the product will also be integer. If A into B into C is 3, the product is 3. That means the possibilities of having the 3 values product as 3 is only 113. That means the number would be 113 because this is the only way to write down 3 as a product of 3 numbers. So now how many numbers you can make out of it? See that using 113 you can make a number 113, you can make 131 or you can make 311, right? It's very easy to understand. Or you could have applied the concept of a permutation combination also, that the 3 digits on 3 places can be arranged in 3 factorial, because there's a repetition of 2 digits, so divide by 2 factorial, there will be 3 such numbers. Okay, and what are those 3 numbers? These 3. Even if you don't know this permutation concept, you can still manage to make 3 numbers out of it. These are the only possible 3 numbers, right? Similarly, if I have the product as 4, the possibilities of writing the 3 number as a product of 4 would be 114 and 122. These are the only possible ways. So using the same rule, I'll be able to make 3 number from this and 3 number from this, right? Because here 2 digits are repeating, here also 2 digits are repeating. Similarly, I'll be able to make 3 numbers from this part, using these digits, and 3 number from these digits. So total 6 number will be made using having the product of digit as equal to 4. If the product of digit is equal to 5, the possibility is only 115. Is the only way to write down the product of 3 digit as equal to 5, because 5 is a prime number. Now 115, how many numbers you will be able to make? Again 3 numbers, 115, 151, 511, right? So 3 numbers are there. If you look at 6, the product of 3 digit would be 6 by using 116, right? So one way to write it down, or you can also write it down as 1, 2, 3. Now, how many numbers you can make out of it? 3 digits, 2 digits are getting repeated. 3 factorial by 2 factorial, there will be 3 such numbers. And you have 3 numbers here. 3 numbers on 3 digits can be arranged in 3 into 2 into 1, or you can say simply factorial, that is 6 numbers. So total 9 numbers would be made from here, right? So 9 here, 6 here. There's the only way where the product of 3 digit number would be greater than less than 7. These are the only possibilities, right? This is less than 7. So 3 plus 6, 9 plus 12 plus 21. So the answer to this question is 21. Easy question, standard question. You haven't attended the basics of numbers. This is definitely a kind of question you will be practicing in practice books or in combination of a lot of questions that we used to practice. In fact, in the previous year CAT paper, a lot of examples you can see, a lot of questions you will see that are exactly based on the same pattern here, right? Now let's have a look at the next question number 8. This is again I will see from the number theory, you can see from the fraction part. A gentleman decided to treat few children in the following manner. He gave half of his total stock of toffees and one extra to the first child. That means there's a gentleman, right? So there are five child. Child number one. He's to treat a few children in the following manner. He gave half of his total stock of toffees and one extra to the first child, then half of the remaining stock, while one extra to the second, and so on. And he finally exhausts the total stock exhausts after he takes care of the five children. So that means he's meeting five children. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? So what he is doing is he's going to the children number 1. Whatever stock of toffees that he has, let's say he has stock of X toffees, he will give half of the toffees to the children number 1, and then he will give one extra toffee to children 1. And this is what he will be keep on doing till fifth children. And after fifth children, his stock gets exhausted. So what you are supposed to find out is how many toffees were there in his stock initially. This type of question has been repeated in CAT 3 times. Two times earlier. The exactly same question has been asked in CAT exam. In previous year CAT paper number system, we have practiced this type of question a lot in the classes on Unacademy. Now, so what is the direct approach to solving the question? If you try to use by X and you go on fifth children, it will be a very complex equation, right? So what you can do is you can start from the last children, because what he's doing is he's giving half of the stock. After giving half of the stock that he has to a particular child, he gives one extra chocolate also. So what you do is just find out what will be the number of chocolate that he will be having before he meet the fifth children. So at last he will be giving one chocolate. So take the chocolate back. And before giving that one chocolate, he must have given half of his total chocolate. So and he will be left with one chocolate after giving half of his chocolate. So can I say before giving his last toffee, sorry, not chocolate, before giving his last toffee, he will be having two more toffees, right? Because if he has two toffees, he will be giving half of it. That means he will give one toffee and he will be left with one toffee, right? So what you need to do is just do the question in the reverse direction, right? Do the question in the reverse direction, right? So what we are doing is we add one to his stock and just make it double. That means before fifth children he must be having two toffees. Now take back the one toffee that he has given to the fourth kid and multiply to 2. So before meeting fourth kid, he would be having six toffees. Then again take back one toffee from the third kid and make it double. He will be having 14 toffees before meeting third child. Take back one toffee from the second one and double it. He will be having 30 toffees before meeting second child. Take back one toffee from the first kid and double it. Initially he has 62 toffees, right? So if he has 62 toffees initially, and then he follow this of giving half the toffees to the first kid, then one extra, then whatever left, whatever is the number of toffees left with, half to the second kid, and then one extra toffee. If he keep on doing this fifth child, he will be left with no toffee of the end. So initially he must have 62 toffees. So the answer to the question is 62. That's the answer to the question. Easy one again. Right? If you have done previous year questions of CAT, right, from the number system topic, this is the question that you have done earlier. So ये question as a repeat हुआ था CAT 2020 के अंदर जिसको बहुत easily first line the moment you read this question you can easily do it, right? You should be knowing the approach of solving the question this way, because ये question दो बार पहले से repeat हो चुका है. Thank you so much for watching this video. More videos coming up, right? We have done 8 questions of CAT 2020 and we have seen that none of this question is challenging. सभी के सभी क्वेश्चन अभी तक बहुत इजी है और इजीली आप इन सभी क्वेश्चन को टारगेट कर सकते हो अगर आपने बेसिक थ्योरी और बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट सभी टॉपिक्स किए हुए हैं. Alright. Well guys, thank you so much for joining the session. So see you in the next video. And before I move on, these are the CAT value offerings if you prepare for CAT examination or Unacademy Plus. You see that you will be getting 3,000 plus hours of live classes on Unacademy, 1200 plus hours of live free special classes, 55 plus new tests every month. Right? Is a maximum number of tests that you will be getting. Right? If you just want to compare it any other institute, right? Is a maximum number of tests, 55 plus new tests every month will be given to you. One-on-one mentorship during the preparation journey, 13,000 plus practice questions, 1,000 plus live quizzes, right? These are the CAT value offering on Academy. If you go for plus purchase, these are the points. These are the things that you will be getting for your CAT examination. So use the referral code LRDI get 10% off. Right? So if you want to go for Unacademy subscription, if you want the live session, use the referral code LRDI. Thank you.